Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be managing ankle injuries with our focus on splinting. This is me checking out my supply to see if I'm ready to go. Reasons for splitting an ankle may include fracture or dislocation. There are no absolute contraindications to splitting an ankle, but open fracture and wounds that are contaminated must be addressed before splinting. They already started without me. Hold up guys, hold up. Before you begin, ensure the scene is safe. Ensure you observe standard precaution by putting on your gloves. In this case, we are going to be using the sound split. Begin by measuring and molding your splint in the unaffected limb. Check for circulation, motor and sensory portion of the affected limb. And then apply your splint to the affected limb. Use your roller bandage or any other securing device to secure the splint in place. Ensure you don't cut out supply to the distal part of the limb. Check for circulation, motor and sensory function of the distal part after your splinting.